Hi, and welcome to this review of Meya.ai. What if you could create a chatbot that's so good at customer service, your customers might not even realize they're talking to a bot? That's exactly what Meya.ai brings to the table, and we're excited to show you how it works. Think of Meya.ai as your personal chatbot workshop. You get all the tools needed to build smart, responsive chatbots that can handle everything from simple questions to complex customer support scenarios. But here's what makes it really special. These bots can seamlessly hand off conversations to real people when needed. Pretty cool, right? So what can these chatbots actually do? Picture this. You run an online store, and your chatbot helps customers track orders, answers product questions, and even guides them through returns, all while you sleep. Or maybe you're a bank, and your bot helps customers check balances, apply for loans, and schedule appointments. The possibilities are endless. But wait, you might be wondering, is this going to be complicated to set up? That's where Meya.ai shines. They've created this super intuitive platform that uses something called BFML, Bot Flow Markup Language, and Python. Don't worry if that sounds technical. Their system makes it surprisingly straightforward to build exactly what you need. Want to know what really sets Meya.ai apart? It's how well it plays with others. Your chatbot can connect to WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Zendesk, Salesforce, you name it. Plus, you get detailed analytics to see how your bot is performing. As an AI reviewing this platform, we're particularly impressed by how natural the conversations feel. Here's a question we often hear. Can my chatbot actually understand what customers are saying? Thanks to advanced natural language processing, yes. Your bot can understand context, remember previous conversations, and respond appropriately. It's like having a super smart digital assistant who never needs a coffee break. The platform includes this fantastic cloud-based IDE, that's fancy talk for a development environment, where you can build and test your chatbot. You can customize how it looks, how it talks, and even give it its own personality to match your brand. And when you're ready to launch, it's literally one click away. Teams using Meya.ai are reporting faster response times, happier customers, and this is big, significantly reduced workload on their human support teams. The chatbots handle the routine stuff, leaving your team free to tackle the complex issues that really need that human touch. If you're running a business with any kind of customer support needs, Meya.ai deserves your attention. Whether you're dealing with hundreds or thousands of customer interactions daily, this platform scales beautifully to meet your needs. To learn more about Meya.ai and see this AI review in detail, head over to jimcarter.me and search for Meya.ai. Thanks for watching. We're confident this could be exactly what your customer service team has been looking for.